We got hopper polished. Let's go get the kids from school in it. This is 7 days before we leave going to cruising the coast in it. Make a little test run. We're gonna run and grab some gas before we pick them up. She's doing good. Kids have been retrieved. We're on the way back. So far, it's done great. 1 week. She's got a long trip to make. Really? Shut your door. Cool. Dude, you open it back up. Yeah, we're gonna put a smoke machine in it. Let those red lights come on when we take it to Yogi. She's a regular old daily driver. 1 week, I can't wait. We're gonna hit the interstate with her.